Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday, and on Saturday I had a cheat day. So I went to Foreigner Street in Gimhae, so it's like 30 to 40 minutes away from my crib by car. So I went there, and what I had was I had some Uzbekistan food. So I had like lahman and aryan, I think that's like raw yogurt, and then I had a lamb shashlik, so was freaking amazing. And then for dinner I had nasi goreng bebek, so duck nasi goreng. Nasi goreng means fried rice, one of my favorite foods in the world, and I have to say the best rice dish in the world is nasi goreng. So I fucking love nasi goreng, and yeah, so that was very nice. And because of that, I gained a little bit of weight. I weighed in around 65.8 kilograms today, so I'm a little heavier than usual. So I'm around like 1.4 kilograms heavier than Saturday's morning weight. So I'm a little heavy, so not that big of a deal, but I'm a little heavy, and I managed myself, and I didn't go too far when cheating. Like I said before, I said I will be managing my cheat days, so I didn't eat a lot before going to bed, so that I can have a good quality in sleep and good sleep duration. And yesterday I was very tired for some reason, so I took some nap, and I had some good sleep today, and I am feeling good today. But I'm not really sure how things are gonna go, because I'm not sure if the way I manage my cheat day on Saturday will be fine for today's training. So my body might be a little too relaxed, my body might be a little too fatigued, might be a little bit too relaxed to train. So I am not really sure how things are gonna go. But as far as how I feel good. I don't feel any soreness, I don't feel any pain on my left arms, shoulders, whatever. But I might feel a little heavy, and I might feel a little too relaxed to like have a firm grip on the bar. So I'm not sure how this training is gonna go, but yeah, we'll have to see during the training. So without any more yapping, let's get right into the training. So I'll see you guys in the training.
ever find the right words. And there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl. So I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. Going with the gut, never had a doubt, felt like this is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now. We know I ain't ballin' yet, hoes wanna holler, oh no, I don't call them back. Girl, let me see you hold it down, we gon' have a blast. Cause I just wanna know what you gonna do with all of that. Ain't gotta say a word, I know what's up. You can have it all, watch me rip it off. I'll admit it, you got me feeling hella love. Even when it's going down, know that we gon' live it up. Young shot caller, always been a baller. Know that you the one, I can feel it in my heart. Yeah, I won't stop charging, we going come harder. I can see you and I, way beyond the stars, girl. I can never ever find the right words. And there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl. So I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right, it feels right. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for
into a pond, ripples fade away. Human hearts aren't so lucky. Those battle scars remain. Oh, I can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes, echoes of your ghost. Can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes, echoes of your ghost. La da 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 da, la da 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 da, la da 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 da. Ripples fade away. Human hearts aren't so lucky. Those battle scars remain. Oh, I can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes, echoes of your ghost. Can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes, echoes of your ghost. La da 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 da, la da 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 da, la da 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 da, la da da.
burn me out, love just brings me down. Cold inside like winter leaves that slowly leave the ground. Hey, you come back, I wanna give you a chance. Love me like you used to, so we can learn again. The skin is getting brown, baby, drink your night away. Maybe we will not regret it, you will not regret me. Laying down under the sun, burning love cause we are young. No one tells us what's done wrong, cause it's just me and you. Yeah, it's just me and you. Hold you on the ground, make your eyes roll out. Kiss me all around, baby, do you like the sound of my wasted love? Wasted love, of my wasted love. Hold you on the ground, make your eyes roll out. Kiss me all around, baby, do you like the sound of my wasted love? Wasted love, just my wasted love. It's just me and you. Yeah, it's just me and you. Summer days burn me out, love just brings me down. Cold inside like winter leaves that slowly leave the ground. Hey, you come back, I wanna give you a chance. Love me like you used to, so we can learn again. The skin is getting brown, baby, drink your night away. Maybe we will not regret it, you will not regret me. Laying down under the sun, burning love cause we are young. No one tells us what's done wrong, cause it's just me and you. Yeah, it's just me and you. Yeah, it's just me and you. It's just me and you.
Alright guys, that was it for my training today, and if you guys saw, I did 3 sets of band assisted iron cross, and the reason why I'm doing it because I really want to try and just hold a clean iron cross, but I'm not gonna be like too deeply training for it, but that's like the first reason why I'm training for the iron cross right now, like the first initial like 3 sets before my actual like planche and frontlever training. But the other reason, which is the second reason, is that it actually does help with straight arm strength. So if I do like 3 sets of band assisted iron cross before training the planche and frontlever, it warms up my tendons and my straight arm flexibility and strength. So that actually does help with my planche and frontlever in general. So I just like to do that for just 3 sets to warm my elbows, my arms, my shoulders, just my full body in general. So that is why I'm doing it. So I think I'll be doing it. So 3 sets is not that big of a deal. So actually I started implementing them like my last training, which was on Saturday. So it's been like, so today is like the second time I'm implementing it right now, but I think it's gonna be good. So no problem with that. And overall, my training today was not that bad. I thought I would be way more heavier than usual, because I weighed in at around like 65.8 kilograms today, which was like about 1.4 kilograms heavier than usual. But turns out it was not that bad. I was still able to do like full planche combos, sharp planche combos as well. But in terms of full touch front lever and like front lever pull-ups in full, I was not really able to do them because I just simply felt super heavy. So instead what I did was just go ahead and like did the sets with one leg variations instead of just like the full variations. So I think maybe tomorrow I'll be able to train with full in front lever, like touch front lever in full and front lever pull-ups in full. So let's see about that in the future, which is gonna be tomorrow. And I'm just super happy that my body is not like super relaxed, like unlike previous cheat days. So I'm so happy about it. I think this might be one of the best ways to manage my cheat days, not eating too much right before bed and just throughout the whole day. So yeah, I think this is how I'm gonna be managing my cheat days from now on. Not eating too much, considering that it's a cheat day, and not eating too much before going to bed. Like I'll try to stop eating like 2 hours, at least 2 hours before going to bed, but preferably around like 3 hours before going to bed would be the best time to stop eating, so that my body can focus on sleep instead of like digesting the food while trying to sleep. So yeah, so that's it for my training today. I will see you guys tomorrow for my next training session, so I'll see you guys then.